Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. Check out this beauty, 1969 Californian import. I've got it in for an MOT test. The owner's MOT'd it ever since he bought it off Gary at Cool Campers. He's a local company that used to bring them in from California, then restore them. So he's done everything on this, paint, new engine, disc brake conversion, servo brake, upholstery, the lot, all been gone through. The owner's probably had it 8 to 10 years now. Really not, I know it's kept in the garage, but held up really well in this climate. I've just done an MOT test on it, which it failed on a slightly weeping rear wheel cylinder. So basically it's just started to contaminate the brake shoes. So your new cylinder, shoes actually luckily cleaned up, they weren't that contaminated. Bosch, straight through the MOT. What an MOT, good MOT for an old car. That's first job of this week. Tomorrow's job has just been dropped off. That is this T25, used to be mine. Same again about 5, 6, 7 years ago, this was mine. The owner has jacked it up, jacked the suspension up, put some semi-knobbly tyres on it. And the best thing he's done is a TDI conversion. It's got a 130 out of a Mark IV Golf. So, oh my god, it absolutely drives fantastic. 5-speed, turbo diesel. You do like 70 easy, just cruising along. It's not really about the power for him, it's more like just to give it a bit more boost on the hills and just make it a bit more usable, because when I owned this van, it was a 1.6 diesel. So you can imagine how horrible and slow it was. So his plan is, I've got it in to loosen the track rod ends off, because they've tried to track it and they can't get the track rod arms loose, so I've got to do that, because he's just, as you can see, put new tyres on it. I put, probably a few months ago, I'm not sure if you can see this, put new arms on, new rear trailing arms, and did a bit of welding around the, actually I replaced, did I replace the bracket? No, I repaired round the brackets, mainly on this side, so we had 2 new arms, and we did on the front, I think we did a ball joint, and he's never had it tracked since he's owned it, so he's put some new tyres on. The plan is to, this side's been tracked, the other side they couldn't do, is get it tracked, and he said already it drives so much better. It's worth doing it now and again, you know, change the tyres up and getting the vehicle tracked, especially if you've never had it done. So he said just having this side done already, it's so much nicer to drive, but with the other side done, you should be bob on. See, it's had the Land Rover mirror replacement. That's a very common replacement for these 25s, because the original mirrors just seem to shake around. Oh, also, the couple I bought all the large, I don't know if you've seen the videos, I bought at a company in Devon that used to sell online. It was really nice of them. They brought me some more stuff in. They went through they cleared out their barn and they went through their house and they found in the shed more stuff. So they drove from Devon on Saturday and dropped it off for me, which is really nice. So I have some more parts, hundreds of seat belts. There is some more, this is only half of the rest of it I've had to pack away already to get the space. A lot of Westphalia stuff, loads of seat belts, a lot of original seat belts. I'm not really sure what to do with them. I don't really like putting second-hand seat belts in cars, but there's some Dormobile ones, Stanbury ones, and some older VW ones from America, so someone might want them. A lot of Beetle and Carmen Gear stuff, stereo stuff, all sorts of, a lot of new panels as well, a lot of new repair panels, T4, 25, bay, if you need something, or see something, or don't see something but you need something still, let me know. Also had, which is meant to be, because you know I like to collect crap on my walls, the workshop, with these GMC wheel trims, so, and this weird Volkswagen trim. I've googled it, and this was offered in America from a company called JCPenney, and they're like, as you can see, the badge doesn't quite match like an aftermarket Volkswagen wheel trim. So that would go on the wall with my, I'm going to put them on a row here with my Pontiac one. I'm going to have them all on this wall down here to go with the rest of the junk. But there we go, that's what's going on NOS this week. Thanks for watching, see you for the next video.